Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Oh, morning, so marvelous morning, right?
Yes, exactly.
And then it's so amazing to meet you, all of you here. Welcome to this English class. And I'm Miss Intan.
And then, of course, me, Miss Nun.
And she's my partner in this collaboration class.
Yes, I'm so excited sitting here.
Yeah, I'm so happy.
She's my senior.
Finally, I could find a suitable partner to discuss English.
Yes, we will do some collaboration regarding with our English class.
And we're now going to talk about English materials, right?
Of course, yes.
What is it?
It's talking about part of speech.
Okay, part of speech, and we are going to talk it in 8 part of speech only.
Yes.
Okay.
If you find in another resources, then you will find 8 or you will find 9. It's not a big deal. Don't worry, be happy because we just talk about 8 parts of speech.
Okay. What is it actually part of speech, Mrs. Noon?
Part of speech is I will use in bahasa, bagian-bagian di dalam
bahasa Inggris.
Betul.
Iya, bentuk-bentuk kata atau bagian yang harus ada ketika kita berbicara, menulis ataupun ketika kita menyimak sesuatu gitu ya. Karena English itu tidak lepas dari 4 skills itu, Miss Nun.
Yes. What are they?
Speaking,
Listening,
writing,
and reading.
Okay.
So after you learn about a part of speech, you will know how to put a words which place after what and then before what, and then it will help you to improve your English speaking and then
English
reading,
English reading, and etc.
All right.
It's kind of interesting to talk about part of speech actually in English, and it is a basic skill that we have to master.
Betul.
Right? If you don't know it, you will be blank.
So don't miss it, our video today. You have to stay tuned here. We will talk about part of speech till the end.
Till the end, okay? Please pay attention to our
explanation.
Okay, thank you. Let's start our discussion, Mrs. Noon. Okay.
Welcome back again. Okay.
Part of speech, we are going to talk about 8 part of speech, starting from noun,
pronoun,
and then adjective,
verb,
conjunctions, and
interjection.
Okay. Part of speech, yang ke satu itu tadi noun. Noun itu kata benda, tapi dia bisa mengacu kepada orang, tempat, ataupun benda, baik itu konkret maupun abstrak. Contohnya, dog. Apa itu dog? Dog.
Just say it in English.
Don't say it in Indonesian, right?
Okay.
And then New York, perhaps.
Yes.
And then air, abstract noun. And then people, human, students, chair.
Our beloved college STI participant.
Our beloved laboratory.
Yes. Your beloved lecturer, Miss Nun and Wintan.
Oh my God, we are nouns, right?
Yes, we are nouns.
We are nouns, okay,
Yes.
humans. And then next, Mrs. Nun will explain about pronoun.
And second one, we talk about pronoun. So after you talk and learn about noun, itu adalah kata benda. It can be living thing or non-living thing. Dan kita akan bahas tentang pronoun. So what's the difference between noun and pronoun? Kalau pronoun ini adalah fungsinya untuk replace, okay? Mengganti, so replace the position of noun itself.
Untuk apa coba? Supaya tidak ada pengulangan.
Exactly. No repetition. Jadi
repetition.
kalimatnya itu efektif, efisien.
Yep. Dan bermakna.
Yes. I will give you some example. For instance,
You.
Yes. If you want to talk someone, a girl, a woman, we can say she.
He.
Right.
They.
Yeah. They. And then
we. Okay.
And what about things? Non-living things.
It.
Camera. Maybe we can
Call
change
it
or replace it using it.
Yep.
Okay. So I, you, we, they, he, she, and it. Okay. But those are itu subject pronoun. We can meet or find juga yang namanya object pronoun. Yang disimpan after the verb. Kalau subject itu before the verb, kalau object itu after the verb. Jadi kita punya pengganti I itu adalah me, pengganti you itu still you. And then what about we?
She, her.
She, her. We kita ganti jadi us. They kita ganti jadi them. What about he?
Him.
Yes, and then what about it? Is still it. Okay. Please, Bu Intan, could you please give me examples regarding with the
about
subject
pronoun.
and then object pronoun?
Ani and Miss Noon are in this room. They are doing some typing about English.
Yes.
They.
Okay.
It refers to Ani and Miss Noon.
Yes.
Okay.
So because Ani and Miss Noon are two persons, so we change using they.
And how about object pronoun?
Object pronoun. Let's see. I meet Bu Intan, misalkan. So I meet her. Yeah. So
Because I'm a girl.
yeah.
And how about men?
Man, I love titik misalkan ya. For example, okay, it's only kidding. I love him. So because that's talking about a man, so I will replace it using him.
Him.
Okay.
Okay, it is about pronoun as a general subjective and objective pronoun, right? And then next,
Let's move on to the third parts of speech. What is that?
verb.
Verb.
Yeah, in a sentence we need a verb, right?
Yes,
Okay.
it's an obligatory. Okay, wajib.
Verb is whether it is needed an object called transitive verb, and then whether it without object or intransitive verb. For example, I run. Saya lari. Ya, saya lari.
Keren Mang Oleh. Iron Man. No, ya?
Okay, it's a joke, okay? I run and they walk. It is quite intransitive verb, right?
Yes.
And then how about transitive verb, Miss Noon?
Transitive verb. I eat food. So eat is a transitive verb, so we need an object in the end. So I eat food. So food is an object, okay?
And the verb is it.
Yes, of course.
And then next perhaps English happily, right? Kami belajar bahasa Inggris dengan senang.
Betul.
Okay, we pronoun study.
Study is a verb. Happily.
Next
Next part.
of speech. Okay, perhaps it is your turn.
Thank you so much. Yeah, you give me an inspiration to talk about adverb for the next time. Yeah. Adverb, it's not a verb, ya. It's different. Kalau verb itu kata kerja, so adverb is kata keterangan. Okay, it modifies adjective, it modifies verb juga, or many more. For example, happily. Okay. Happily. Jadi happily, happy. Kita nanti bahas, okay, happy, what is happy actually, but happily itu artinya dengan bahagia, dengan senang. So itu ada kata keterangan cara. So kalau kalian search in internet, you will find ada yang namanya adverb of time. We talk about time, for example, at 9 p.m.
In the morning,
right? At night. And then next one we have adverb of place. It's talking about place, of course. For example, at school, yeah, in this room, or maybe outside, or wherever you are now. So next one, maybe you will see or you will find what is that adverb of manner.
Yep.
Yes. Nah, happily is one of adverb of manner. Jadi kata keterangan cara.
Cara,
right?
betul. Slowly,
Betul.
dia beautifully, okay, amazingly, right? Okay, it is adverb of manner.
Yes, adverb of manner.
Cara seseorang melakukan sesuatu.
Betul.
Oke,
Jadi
ya.
itu akan menjelaskan lebih tentang apa yang dilakukan. For example, not all ya. I will give you some tips. It's adverb itu identiknya dengan using ly in the end.
Tidak semua.
Tapi tidak semua. Tapi mostly itu menggunakan ly.
Iya.
After you find ly in the end of the noun,
It refers adverb.
betul ya, adjective. I mean it's not noun, it's adjective.
And then you have already discussed about adverb, and then I have to discuss about adjective. What is adjective actually?
Adjective, for example, like me, beautiful. No?
Yup. Ivan is handsome, right? Handsome is adjective.
Who is Ivan?
Ivan, I don't know, one of the laborers here.
Who is Ivan? I don't know.
He is a handsome boy. Handsome,
Okay, Ivan, please give me some money. Okay, after this.
beautiful, beautiful Miss Noon, and then cheer students,
Cheerful.
and then happy workers here, and then happy, senang. Jadi mengungkapkan atau menggambarkan perasaan seseorang, karakter seseorang. Pokoknya yang menjelaskan noun atau yang menjelaskan tentang pronoun, karakter. Contohnya, kalau karakter tadi kan appearance.
Appearance.
Tadi kan beautiful,
Tall, misalkan.
And then
Slim.
short,
Like us.
slim and fat.
Okay, don't
It
talk
is-
about fat, okay?
Okay. It's
Leave it.
sarcasm, right? Okay.
Leave it,
Adjective.
please.
Jadi
Adjective.
menggambarkan karakter seseorang, kepribadian seseorang, penampilan seseorang, sifat pokoknya yang melekat
Yes.
pada diri seseorang. Ya, I'm small and you are big. Oh no. Okay, it's okay.
Please highlight this sentence.
Okay, highlight this sentence.
So I will give you some tips kalau misalkan mau menentukan adjective itu it's really easy. Hanya pasangkan si adjektifnya dengan noun.
Ya,
Kalau
betul.
bisa dipasangkan berarti that's adjective. For example tadi ya, big itu kan adjective. Kalau kalian misalkan you don't know about what is big,
Yup.
misalkan kalian pasangkan dengan kata benda, misalkan house. So big house itu make sense kan? So that's adjective and noun gitu.
Iya, pasangkan. Biasanya dipasangkan. Tetapi kalaupun berdiri sendiri juga
Betul.
kita harus tahu bahwa itu tuh adjective karena menempel pada karakter seseorang.
Yes.
Okay, perhaps next, Miss Nun. What
Next,
is it?
what's
Part
next?
speech.
Oh my god.
Conjunction.
Conjunction. Okay guys, so conjunction is a connector. Okay, conjunction itu kata hubung. Connector, one sentence to another sentence, one word to another word.
One phrase to another phrase,
Yes.
gitu ya. Frase yang satu dengan frase yang lainnya. Misalnya, conjunction itu and.
Ya, ini
Or.
disingkatnya dengan fun boy.
Oh yeah, fun boys. I forgot
that right?
about that. Yes, you have to mention it. Fun boys. What is it? Fun boys.
Fun boys.
Four.
And,
Okay.
ya. And-nya apa?
Nevertheless.
And then B, but.
Okay.
O, or. Y, yet. And then S.
So.
So, that's why. Okay.
Fun boys.
If you find those of words, itu berarti adalah adjective. I'm sorry, what is that?
Conjunction. To
Conjunction.
conjunct or to connect one word with another word in order to make sense. Okay. You have to make it an example.
Don't worry, be happy. So, example for conjunction. So, Bu Intan and I. So, kalau saya mau menggabungkan dua kata kan nggak mungkin Bu Intan I. Nah, ya, there's no
Meaningless.
art ya,
It's so meaningless.
nggak ada seninya. So, learning language is talking about art ya.
Okay,
Belajar
art.
seni juga,
Okay,
belajar keindahan.
Art
So,
of language.
salah satunya adalah penggunaan conjunction. Bu Intan and I. So, and itu connector antara Bu Intan dan aku. Gitu.
Perhaps next. Or. Okay.
Or, for example, or
Whether Zio or Arvid, whether Zio or Arvid, both of them are clever boys actually.
great one.
Iya, or itu atau, ya kalau dalam bahasa Indonesianya mah atau, baik Zio maupun Arvid, mereka keduanya itu adalah anak-anak yang pintar, gitu ya. Kok saya, ya oke, and then Prepositions, Miss Nun.
Preposition. What is preposition actually?
Preposition itu adalah biasanya disebut kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia itu kata depan. In, on, at, for, from, like that.
It's quite tricky talking about this, right?
Yep. Because there are certain phrases, ada beberapa frase yang masuk ke preposisi ya, kayak as well as,
Yes.
as long as, right? It is preposition. Tapi yang generalnya itu kata depan biasanya. Misalnya, so kata depan.
Kata depan tadi ada an, ada apa? No n.
At.
Nah,
In, on, at.
in, on, at itu yang paling
For.
popular dan it's quite tricky sebetulnya kalau membahas ini.
Preposition.
Ya kita harus bahas sebetulnya dalam satu video. Oke, next project. Next
Okay.
project ya.
About
Talking
prepositions.
about preposition. But I will give you some illustration. If we want to talk about using at, itu talking about time. For example, at night, okay? At 10 a.m.
Okay.
Gitu.
Or at place,
At
school.
place, yes juga
Okay.
bisa.
In Bandung it's quite general,
Yes.
right? At itu inside, right?
Yeah.
Di dalam ruangan atau di dalam gedung. Seperti
Beruang,
itu.
ya.
Beruang. Ya,
It's not bear.
beruang.
Money.
Preposition
Aduh,
has
tanggal berapa
already.
ini?
And then next
Preposition. And then the last one.
interjection.
Interjection.
What is it interjection actually?
It's an exclamation. Kata seru kalau kita mengenalnya
Betul,
dalam
kalau
bahasa
dalam
Indonesia.
bahasa Indonesia itu kata seru.
Dan
untuk
ini tuh-
mengungkapkan apa sih sebenarnya?
Of course, just talking about our feeling, ya, untuk memberikan stressing, untuk memberikan
Betul.
push, untuk memberikan penekanan dalam sebuah
Betul.
kalimat. For example, when you feel hurt, you can say, "Ouch."
Oh my God, it
Ouch,
hurts.
My legs hurt.
Yep.
For example, my heart hurts. Oh my God.
Oops, I did it again. Oops, right?
Oops, I- Who's the
Oops,
song? Who's the singer?
I forgot. But don't forget to put an exclamation mark
Yes, in
at
the
the
end.
end, okay? Like, yeah!
This one, if
Tanda
you
seru.
feel amazed about something, you can say, "Wow."
Wow, amazing.
If you get something, maybe money or achievement, you can say, "Yeah," gitu,
yeah,
right?
I got it like that. Okay. Oops, I did it wrong.
I
gitu
think you
ya.
will sing again. Oops, I did it again.
Next song will be sung by Miss
Okay,
Nun.
next project singing, okay?
Okay, singing a song, learning English through song.
Yes.
It's quite interesting.
Yeah, it's
material,
quite interesting
actually.
because we can learn English from anything. Yeah,
Yep,
it's not only
anything,
about
any materials.
we learn in the class, we learn from YouTube, we can learn from
Everything.
everything. A book, we can learn from a song, we can learn from
Poetry,
poetry.
poems, right?
Ya, kalau yang suka bucin, misalkan you can make a poetry ya,
Okay.
using English, and then
English,
you
but
will
using
look
English.
more awesome, ya.
Okay, I think eighth part of speech has already discussed by us, and in the next session, perhaps we could discuss another
Topic.
Will that quite interesting also.
Yes,
So-
we hope that you really understand and
Okay.
got what we talk today. If you have any question, don't worry, be happy. You can give a comment in our comment box below, okay? In our
Below.
YouTube, okay? Don't forget to like.
Subscribe
Yes,
our channel.
our channel.
Okay, it is our pioneer experiments actually. Okay,
Yeah.
but it's quite right,
It's
interesting,
quite
right?
interesting.
On
Do you
my
wanna
learn-
try it again? For
Hopefully,
next? Yes.
hopefully
Bu Tepi
we
say
could
yes,
meet
okay?
it in another session, in another occasion.
Yes.
Okay, thank you for today.
Yes, so I hope that you can learn more about parts of speech from another books, yeah, from
Another
another
sources like YouTube. Oh, there are so
everything is
many.
easy now,
Oh,
okay? You are millennials, so you can get a lot of information
Yups.
and topics easily.
Yep.
Easily, it's an adverb.
Yeah, easily. Yeah. I hope you can enjoy our discussion for today.
Yes.
Maafkan jika masih banyak kesalahan, tetapi paling tidak kami sudah berikhtiar untuk menyampaikan materi
Keep
sesuai.
going, Bu Intan.
Yuhu, okay. Yuhu.
So
It's
see
a
you next time in
projection.
our next project.
Okay,
and
thank
next
you
meeting.
for today.
Thank you for today.
Assalamualaikum
See you next
warahmatullahi
time.
wabarakatuh.
Bye.